Hey guys, what's up? In this video, we're gonna go ahead and show you how to scale out Google Shopping. So Google Shopping, unlike Facebook, you can't scale vertically. You gotta scale horizontally, and that's exactly what we'll be going over in this video. Hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, what's up? In this video, we'll be going over how to scale Google Shopping. There's 3 things I do when it comes to scaling Google Shopping, and it's a bit different when compared to Facebook ads. Facebook ads, you're able to show your products in front of millions who have probably interest in that product, but they don't know. So you're putting the products in front of their eyes and they're going ahead and purchasing the product. But when it comes to Google Shopping, there's only a certain amount of people searching that product every single day. For example, cocoa, there's only 100 people, let's say for example, searching that product every single day. And when you scale, you aren't able to show your cocoa box in front of people who might be interested because they have similar statistics. So you can't use lookalike audiences or different interests to show your product in front of more people. You can only show to people who search cocoa music box. So you're locked to 100 products. So in this video, I'll be going over how to scale Google Shopping. So number 1, pick products with high search volume. That is highly important. If you want a product that can make you money, you want there to be demand in it. You want people to be searching it every day. You want at least 5,000 monthly searches, maybe even 1,000 monthly searches is sort of pushing it. That's sort of the range you're looking for a product to make 5 to 10 sales every single day. Secondly, the product has to be profitable. A lot of the times you find you go to Google Shopping and you search up fidget spinner. The fidget spinner is going to cost like $4, and on AliExpress it's going to be, for example, say $3. There's going to be ad costs, and that's not going to be profitable. So you only want to pick products with profit margin. That is also highly important. So that is number 1, finding products with high search volume as well as having a profitable margin, ideally over $10 in profit margin. All right, number 2, for some reason it's labeled number 3. You want tons of products. When it comes to Google Shopping, just as I said, you're limited to the amount of searches a product has. So what you have to do is scale horizontally. Facebook, you could scale vertically by showing that one winning product to a ton of people with similar interests. But with Google Shopping, you're gonna have to scale horizontally and have tons of products, having 100, 200, 300, 50 amount of searches every single day. And the more you have, the more volume and outreach you're gonna have. Now, number 3, you wanna remove unprofitable products, meaning once you have all your products in your store, you want to start filtering it. That's how you scale, by taking out all the unprofitable products, even products that just break even. You just want to remove them to decrease your cost per purchase for the overall shopping campaign. That is sort of what you want to do. And on top of this, you want to actually go into the negative keywords and remove keywords that aren't being profitable, keywords that are actually keywords that are either breaking even or not getting purchased once it hit profit margin. Same with products. The moment a product spends the break-even point amount, say if you have a break-even point of $15, the moment that product spends $15 for that campaign, you want to cut it. But yeah, other than that, it's as simple as that. If you sort of want to learn this more in depth, definitely check out the course below. It's hella cheap. I do the exact same thing for music chess. I sort of talk more in depth about these topics. And if you really want to take Google Shopping to the next level, you could apply to work with me one-on-one personally when it comes to Google Shopping and scale this to the next level. Other than that, I hope this helps. Alright, that was the video. So if you guys want to see me do the exact same thing but live in AdWords, searching products, qualifying if they're worth testing, and then eventually finding a product that's worth testing, and I'll give that to you guys so you guys could go ahead and test that, definitely check me doing it in the course below. I basically take you guys side by side as if I was right there with you. I share my screen, I share you guys my ad account, and I take you through the whole process. I validate all the criteria I'm looking for. So if you're looking for that, check the description below. But other than that, what you just watched is definitely more than enough for you guys to succeed. There's no need for you to buy the upsell. You definitely can find winning products just following those 3 criteria that I showed in the video that you just watched. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions at all, drop it in the comment below, slide into my DMs. I've been answering every single question. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Yeah, yeah.